Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying core prerequisites. Make sure your model supports Face ID and iOS is current. Once done, remove screen protectors or cases that cover the true depth camera and gently clean the area, dirt or oils block sensors. Then restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. A reboot often fixes sensor processes. If you recently dropped or submerged the phone, keep that in mind because hardware faults behave like software issues. After reboot, go to Face ID settings and prepare to rescan. Now you reset and retrain Face ID to eliminate corrupted data. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, and tap Reset Face ID. This clears existing templates. Next, enroll again. Position your face in the frame and move your head slowly in a full circle when prompted so the true depth camera captures multiple angles. Make sure lighting is even, remove anything obscuring your eyes like sunglasses, and keep your face roughly 10 to 20 inches from the camera for accurate mapping. This rebuilds the biome. For final steps, address deeper software or hardware causes. Update iOS to the latest version or perform a device backup and restore if Face ID still fails. This rules out system corruption. If problems continue, run diagnostics. Use Apple support or an authorized service to test the True Depth module because physical damage requires repair. Also try toggling Require Attention for Face ID to change sensitivity and test again. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is: seek certified repair. Face ID depends on specialized sensors that DIY repairs often worsen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.